Good morning, everybody at Wholesaling Inc. This is Jesse Alcala here out of San Antonio, Texas. Just wanted to give you my honest review and testimony of what it's been like for me while being a part of the Wholesaling Inc. tribe. And just a little quick review, I'm 23 years old, been in construction for a little bit, so I know a bunch of people, and I've networked with a bunch of people. And long story short, listened to a bunch of podcasts, stumbled upon the Wholesaling Inc. Podcast, and just was blown away, was super motivated. And I didn't do anything for about a whole year. I just had all this knowledge in my head and just really never did anything with it. But literally, I had sold my first house, right? I made about $7,000 and I was super excited. It was a JV deal. And I was like, you know what? I'm taking all this money and I'm going to just sign up for the program. And I was just like, I don't care how much it costs. I don't care what it takes. I'm going to do it. I set my mind to it and I did it. And right after that, I was, just super excited. And there were so many knowledgeable people and just total go-givers in the tribe. And literally within my first week of, I guess you call it second week, my second week of being a part of the tribe, I got a house under contract, super excited. I didn't even have to blast this out on Facebook. All I did was put who buys in this area, and my original mentor gives me a call. He goes, hey, what do you have in that zip code? And I let him know, and within 15 minutes, it was basically sold. We just had to let title do their thing, and once they did their thing, 18 days while being a part of the Wholesaling tribe, I had my first $22,000 deal under my belt, and I was super excited. I am super excited, and I'm just totally grateful, and I'm totally honored to be a part of the Wholesaling tribe. If this is something that you're really wanting to do and be a part of, I would highly suggest joining them. There is no reason to do all this years like I did. I took a year and a half just to learn, just to get everything. I had so many notes, and I just wanted to be perfect. What I learned from these guys is just take massive imperfect action and just go and rock and roll. Because you know what? The person who's just doing it, rather they're doing it wrong or they're doing it right, is the one who's going to get the most results. The person who's doing absolutely nothing and just has journals and journals of notes, those notes will just be notes. They'll never get anywhere. They'll never help you if you never implement what you're learning, So basically, I just want to thank Tom and Cody for everything that they've ever done, and the whole tribe, the forum, any go-givers that ever reached out to me and just totally helped me out with anything that I ever needed. And also, real quick, just had to throw this out there. This book, The 4 Spiritual Laws of Prosperity, totally changed my life. It got me, just on a whole nother level, and I highly advise you to read that book. That is actually mandatory if you join the tribe. So be looking out for that. And I hope you have a great day. I hope everybody has a blessed day. I hope everybody goes and gets it and just charge on. Oh, and a little quick thing that I did when I got that deal. I don't know, people were calling me crazy. People were calling me super dedicated, whatever. I have this total mindset of I'm going here and this is what I want and this is for my family and this is what it is. So I got me a little rhino stamp, right, tattooed on me. And actually, if you look what it says Rhino Tribe. I'm that dedicated. This is what we're doing. That by the end of this year, this is my year. 2020 will be my year. I guarantee it. And it could be yours. So just want to thank Wholesaling Inc. for everything that they've done. And just charge on.